Namaste Bharat. Me myself Kulanjan Dubey Manwani, a postgraduate in English literature, attended first Indian Pearl Congress in 2003. And what I heard from that congress that made me passionate about pearl farming. And then I had a training from CIFE Mumbai under Kiran Dubey Madam in 2004. And then our journey started. I have done research all over in India for searching mussels of different quality and the size and quantity. Then we have innovated many tools also, for which we have got many awards. I will just show you the tools. You can see this opener. This opener is very simple. Even the smallest mussels can be opened with this tool. So for this also we got an innovative award. Then we have made this wooden machine on which we can keep our mussels and operate. For this also we got innovation award. And we have done many awareness programs throughout India, and successfully I have completed pearl farming in 8 states. I have done in Karnataka, 2 places in Karnataka, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, and then MP, UP, Bihar. Like that we have covered many states, and successfully we have done pearl farming. And still now I am doing pearl farming. Here right now I am doing in BHU, that is in Varanasi, a big project on pearl farming. I just let you know about pearl farming. We have got many awards also for doing awareness programs, for making innovative tools and making different quality pearl beads. I have even done mussels breeding in 2 places, in Bihar and Gujarat, without any knowledge. I have done spirulina cultivation also, that too just because of the reading, but I have done it. And then after that I had training after 10 years on spirulina, that was also successful. And right now I am going to let you know about pearl farming small. We need these mussels which are available in everywhere in India except the cold region like Jammu Kashmir and all. So these mussels are available in every village, river, pond. You have to collect these mussels only. Inside this you will find shining. If that mussel is shining, that will definitely give you pearls. So we have to collect these mussels. We collect these mussels. After collecting them, we keep them in small tanks for making the mussel weak. After, when it becomes weak, you can see this. These are our tools. Simple tools are there. This raw material, these beads we put inside the mussel. You can see different beads are there, different sizes are there, different designs are there. Whatever shape we want, we can include this by operating. We put in the mussel. After putting in these beads, we put them in the water, hanging them in the net. I'll just show you behind me. In this way we hang these mussels in the net and we keep them inside water for 1.5 years to 2 years. It takes, all over India we have done, so it takes a period around 1.5 to 2 years for one pearl to create. And if you go in Gujarat and MP area, you will get a pearl within 8 to 12 months. This is the process. After, if you see the production cost of one mussel to create 2 pearls, it is 50 to 60 rupees, and it takes 1.5 to 2 years. After that, when the pearls are created, you can see it will be like this, and it will cost you 300 to 1000 rupees also, according to the quality of the pearl and design and shape and luster. It depends on that. The rest you can see, when your ready material will be like this, then you will have to cut it in different shapes, you can see, and then you have to make pendants like this. You can see in my neck also I have wear. So like that you can make different pendants, and you can sell it on your own. Today market is also open for pearl farming. You can sell your pearls online on Amazon and Flipkart by registering inside that. And you can see, if you want to see a big market, it is in Hyderabad, Pearl City. So there is no issue of market also right now. And I will request everyone to just focus on pearl farming. It is very good. Try to do more production so we can ban the foreign pearls and Indian pearls will be sold in India and everybody will wear Indian pearls. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.